Victoria Wedu, well, now Kalu. And today is obviously my traditional wedding day. I am very excited. And yeah, I'm getting married to my friend who I never thought I was ever going to marry.
Yeah. Nice.
But here we are, and I feel like the luckiest bride on the planet. Can't wait to get through this phase and see what forever is like to him, although he has already given me a taste of what it's going to feel like. So I'm just very curious to have more fun with him. The tag is the K team because we're a team, and our teamwork brought us together, and I'm sure it's going to last forever. I love him very much, and I look forward to spending the rest of my life with him. Bye, guys.
My name is Florence, the elder sister to the bride, Victoria, now Mrs. Kalu. I'm here to make a toast and also to congratulate my baby sister and her wonderful husband, Daniel. I've always known you to be a smart girl, and even if I miss you, I miss you. I wish you God's guidance in your marriage. Your marriage will always be a blessing. I wish you wisdom, understanding in your marriage. And also, one thing about marriages, you have to be patient with Daniel. That's your baby. Even if another baby is going to come, but this is your baby. So you are going to take care of him. And Daniel, I've handed my own baby to you too. So treat her like your baby, your daughter, your everything. I know and I believe very well, strongly believe that she's in safe hands, and you give her the best that she can ever imagine, or she won't imagine. I've been saying it anyways, and I know that God will continue to bless you, and you be patient with her too. So I want you all to, do you have wines to put in your glass? Because we have to make a toast to this wonderful couple. We wish you
Turn around for pictures.
more children, children of our children, happiness, all the good things that surrounds marriage. To the bride and the groom.
To the bride and groom.
So full of joy. I'm excited. I never anticipated this day to be coming so soon. I'm marrying the love of my life. I'm getting married to a beautiful lady. I want to say a special thank you to the Lord Almighty for a beautiful day like this, and thank everybody that came from far and near to support us and witness this beautiful occasion. My parent-in-law were just so supportive. They just made this whole process so easy and so wonderful, and I just want to say thank you, big thank you to them. And I thank my friends far and near that couldn't make it, that supported, that sent message, that also, were praying for us. I say a big thank you to all of them. To my wife, I love you. I love you. I love you. This is just the beginning of the best days of our life, and I'm looking forward to great things that we're going to do together. I know there's so much we're going to do together. I haven't even told you all the plans, all the visions, all the dreams that I have prepared for you. By the grace of God, I know we'll see it through. So thank you everybody that came, and I'm just so happy. I don't even know where to start or where to end, I should say, but I just want to give all the praise to God for a beautiful day like this. Thank you.
Professor Wendy.